Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone hotspot not working. iPhone hotspot might stop working or not working if there is any problem with the carrier, iOS version, device, network settings, etc. If your iPhone has failed to enable your personal hotspot, you need to solve the issue with some necessary methods so as to get rid of the further problems that might be happen. In this video, I'll share some basic ways with step-by-step procedure to fix the iPhone hotspot not working issue. You can try this method and find a suitable solution. There are some basic ways that you can try. These might fix the issue. So let's start the video without wasting any time. But first, subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. So the first thing you should go for is turn personal hotspot off and on. The simplest and first way to solve the issue is to turn off and on the personal hotspot. Sometimes the feature does not work as it should. It could be due to some excessive usage of RAM or any other iOS issue. So go to your settings, click on it and then tap on mobile data. Here tap on personal hotspot, turn it off and then turn on again and you are done. And the next step is change the iPhone's hotspot password. If turning the hotspot on and off does not solve the issue, you can try changing the password. When you change the password, it releases the hotspot, so it might start working. After that, try the hotspot again and see whether it is working or not. Go to settings and then tap on personal hotspot and then tap on Wi-Fi password. So here you can change the password. And tap on done and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. Hotspot constantly uses the device network, therefore due to any issue with the network settings, the hotspot is disturbed. So you can try resetting the network settings to solve the problem. For this, launch the settings app, click on it and then scroll down, tap on general, scroll down. Here you have your option of transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it and then tap on reset. So in the pop-up box you see reset network settings, tap on it. Now your settings will be reset. It will hardly take a few seconds. Try the hotspot again, it might start working and you are done. So the next step is sign out of iCloud. iCloud does not create an issue for the hotspot, but signing out has worked for many users. For this, tap settings and then tap on at the top your account name, tap on it, scroll down and here you have your option of sign out. This will sign out the iCloud account from your device. You can sign in again if this does not solve the issue and you are done. And the next step is update your carrier settings. The iPhone hotspot depends on the carrier. If there is any issue with the carrier settings, it might stop working. You can check if there is any update available. Updating the settings might solve the problem. So for this, go to your settings, click on it and then scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on about. You will see the update if any is available, and if there is any update available, then update and the device will start updating the setting and you are done. So the next step is force restart your iPhone. It clears the iPhone cache and volatile memory and makes it fresh again. So you just need to shut down your device and then you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. There could be a bug in the last version. So to update your iPhone, open the settings app and scroll down and then tap on general. And here at the top you see your option of software update, tap on it and update the latest software if it is available. I hope this solution will fix your issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.